tutorials. Learn in one click.
Hello, my name is Blanca Maldonado. I don't speak English very well, but I have resource for teacher that I want to share with you. I hope you will excuse me. I don't miss all the surprise I have for you. In this video, I have for you 5 designs of diplomas. Stay and watch this tutorial and you will learn how to double, edit and print them from PowerPoint. In the description in this video you will find an index, so it will be easy to learn. We begin.
These are the diplomas that I have for you. They are designed in letter size and are 100% editable. Diploma 1, Diploma 2, Diploma 3, Diploma 4, Diploma 5, How to double. Go to the comments section in this video and select the model that you most like it. Click it and it opens another window. We are going to click on double and the double numbers in the button bar. We click and select the option Shopping Folder and it directs us to the location of the file. Now, if we are ready to edit it. How to edit? First, you click on the yellow strip to enable editing. We will be working on Diploma 2. This design allows you to move all the elements of their place. In this way, you can customize it to your needs. The text is editable. You can change the typeface and its size. All the text you can customize. Now, I will show you how to edit the photo. Here I have the photograph that I am going to use. Select the image and the crop command will be enabled. If you don't have the image selected, this command does not appear. When the crop command is enabled, black lines appear on the edge of the photo. You just have to adjust each of the lines to the side you want to leave your photo. Within this crop command is the option to crop the shape. Here you can choose the design that you like the most. Finally, we can add a graduation cap and a medal to the photograph. If the cap, graduation or medal is behind the picture, you just have to click on the Bring Forward command. Now, I'm going to repeat the process with Diploma 3, including new tips for retouching your photo in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Select the image and go to Remove Background command. Here you can enlarge the area for your photograph. If you have deleted part of the photo, we will use the command Mark Areas to Keep. Just click on the areas that we remove. Step 2. We use the crop command. Step 3. We select the image and go to the corrections command and use brightness plus 20 and contrast 0. This effect will give more light to the photo. Now, you will learn how to convert to image or PDF file. To convert to image, you go to the file type in the Save As command. In Save As type, you select Portable Network Graphic Format (PNG). He asks you the following question. Do you want to export every slide in the presentation or only the current slide? To convert to PDF file, in Save As type, you select PDF. However, it generates a single file. If you want to save a single slide, go to the option and you can specify range, all, current slide, or the range of the slide. To finish, I will show you how to print. It's very easy. Go to the File command, Print, and in the All Slide option, you must select the scale to fit the paper. This way, it is better adapted to letter size.
I hope you like these designs and they are very useful for you. Keep watching my channel because I'm working in educational projects that I want to share with you. Remember, you are one step away from learning something new. Subscribe and share. I will be reading your comments. See you in the next video. Hola, como ya se acerca la Navidad, tengo una sorpresa para ti. Se trata de unas divertidas tarjetas navideñas digitales que puedes descargar, editar y convertir en video desde PowerPoint. Visita mi canal en YouTube. ¡Nos vemos!
Tutorials. Learn in one click.